So humble Lion coach, Mr. Donovan Dookie, is crying foul about the format of the Premier League. Dookie basically, as a humble Lion, win the league already, and the current format is wrong, and blah, blah, blah. But I suspect that if humble Lion did run second or third, Dookie would have no problem with the format of the league. But let us split justice, because Dookie did say something in that post-match rant that I fully agree with. Listen to Dookie.
You saw where the format of the competition worked against us. We're inactive for 3 weeks. Nothing you can do in 3 weeks that can simulate a competitive nature. What you do in training is match related. It can never be 100%. We're playing against a team that is playing week in, week out. You saw where the 50-50 ball, we did not win. We kept getting caught in transition. We did not counter press well. Our reaction was slow. And you saw where we weren't sharp.
Well said, coach. Well said. That 2 or 3 week break for the first and second place teams, while the intention was to reward Humble Lion and UEFC the advantage of automatic semi-final spots, in reality, as Dookie is pointing out, the top 2 teams are really at a disadvantage because of match rust and a lack of sharpness, and nothing gets players match ready like hard competitive games, and that gives the active teams like Arnett Gardens and Portmore United the edge coming into the semi-final. Brilliant point, Coach Dookie. You know, say you draw 1-1. No. Not Humble Lion and Arnett Gardens, but you, Coach Dookie. You draw 1-1. You make one good argument and one full argument. So you draw 1-1. You draw 1-1. You draw 1-1, Coach Dookie. Congratulations. Good game. You draw 1-1.